Hey guys, here's a shameless plug for Ponies by the Pike, and it's in Long Beach in Shoreline Park. John puts on a great show. It's one of the largest Mustang shows in the country, and it's there in California. I'm not going to be able to be there because I'm in New Jersey. Hey, but at least I'm around Mustangs still. But if you want to have a really good time, it is on the, John, I hope it's the 16th and 17th. I hope I'm not messing that up. It's this weekend. It's this upcoming weekend. This is 2019. And it is March 16th and 17th. I might, if I did it wrong, the type's there. I might be off by a day. But it's a great time. I've been there 4 times. You guys can Google MustangMedic, Ponies by the Pike, and see me there before. And I'll be thinking of you guys while you're all having a great time in California, enjoying the weather, enjoying the Mustangs, the good food. And John's got lots of stuff that you can wear and hold on to, reminding you of your Ford Mustang. Wish you all you guys well. John, have a great time out there. I'll miss you. And
honestly, honey,
it's a good time. I recommend taking a family. Very kid friendly. And it's time to indoctrinate our kids into Mustangs, right? Have a good time.